Hi, welcome to our new session that is called Learn HTML within 30 minutes. In today's session, we will design a page that approximately cover entire page structure as well as some semantic tags. What are the semantic tags? The semantic tags were introduced in HTML5. These tags are also considered as the advanced HTML tags. In today's session, we will discuss how to use or include JS and style sheets that are called CSS files in our document. The complete session will use Visual Studio Code Editor because this is the lightweight and very efficient code editor for the entire type of languages. I personally recommend this code editor to use for the development purpose. Many other code editors can also be used such as NetBeans or TextLime or Sublime, but I will recommend you to use Visual Studio Code. Here we can see the live preview of the web page that are going to be designed. Here is the demonstration that I have already created for today's session. I am sure if you listen attentively the complete session, you will able to design such like of web page with basic to advanced tags. We will also cover some web semantic or semantic tags in today's session. So let us start from the document summary tag. Here I would like to clear you, we will discuss these all HTML tags category wise. Some of these tags are called document summary tag, some of the called document information tag, and some are the text formatting, list, images, tables, etc. And after these all tags will be discussed, we will discuss here the HTML5 new tags that are also called semantic tags. Okay, these are advanced tags that will also cover in this today lecture. Okay, for this purpose, so let's start our project. We will have to move to any folder or drive or directory in our computer. I am going to the E drive. This is the empty, so it is easy to visualize you how things are going on. We are going here, right click on the folder, typing here the folder name that may be the HTML. You can also type any other name for the folder. Okay, this is catching the key HTML. Right click here, and here you will find the option open with code, open with Visual Studio Code. Click on this one. This folder will automatically open in the Visual Studio. We can see here nothing is in this file. Do not save, this is the already opened file. Nothing is this folder. There is no file in this folder. We have to create a new file in this folder. For this purpose, we have to click on plus file option and type here the file name. Normally in each and every website there is the index.html or index.py or index.php file, that is the landing file or landing page of our website. Similarly, we are going here to create the index.html file. After this, creating the HTML file, we have to write down the HTML tags that are called document summary tag. What is meant by document summary tag? These tags will provide information, or these tags are the fundamental structure tag that provide information to the web browser. What is the structure of our HTML? The first one, fundamental tag, is called HTML, and the second and third one are the combination of these tags that are the basic part of our entire document. First one is the head tag or the semantic information. All the link files, all the SEO relevant meta tags are written in the head tag, and the document summary, document tags, document information, document contents, which may include audio, video, graphics, images, are written in the body tag. These are two most important tags. I will have to clear these two tags independently. First one is the HTML tag, and second one is the head and body tag. These tags are the building block of each and every HTML document. I would like it to again revive you these two tags. First one is the head tag and second one is the body tag. In head tag we will write here the title tag. What is the title tag? Title tag is used to display the title of the page. So we are going here to write title of the page, IT tips programming. Here this title will be displayed on the web page. Ctrl+S to save the document. And next one, head and body tags that are already written by us. Okay, move to the next. These are called document information tags. We have already covered document summary tag. A quick glance on these tags. Document summary tags include HTML tag, title tag, head and body tag. HTML tag encapsulate all these other three tags. The basic tags are head tag and body tag. Title tag is a part of the head tag. Head tag also include all relevant information that are required to display smooth contents of the web page. It may link to our JS files, that will be part of the head tag. It may include or link to the CSS file, that will also part of our head tag. After this we are going to discuss document information tag. This topic is also much more important because it provides more description about the document and information to the search engines, to the SEO. These are also much more helpful tags for the SEO purpose. Today is the year of web development, and we know all of newcomers, all of the new software engineers who are getting indulged with the web development are too much crazy about the software search engine optimization. In today's session we will also discuss some concept of the SEO. For the time being, these are the document information tag that provide information to the browser as well as to the search engines what is going on your web document. Okay, here is the first tag, that is doc type. We write here HTML, that is the doc type. It provides information to the server as well as to the web browser that this document is of HTML type. Okay, after this, these are the some meta tags. There are some meta tags, link tag or styles that are so part of our head tag. We will write here some kind of styles. For this purpose we will write here link tag to attach the style sheet or external style CSS files in our document. Rel property will be used. We say that app.css and okay, rel style sheet, sorry for that, and href will be the link to style sheet. We can also include external script file or JS files using script tag. For this purpose we will have to define the source. Let's suppose app.js. These two files are included in head tags. After this we can also include some meta tags. Meta tags are the metadata information about the web page. These are the much more important tags that we will have to understand. There are many multiple types of meta tags we will cover in later lectures or sessions. Meta tags are provide information to the search engines for ranking your content, for identifying, for getting about your content type nature. Here we are going to discuss the basic meta tag, that is called keyword, and its content will be such as we say that IT tips, web development, so we can write here multiple keywords to define our keyword meta tag. These three tags are discussed here. This is the link tag, this is the script tag, and last one we can also define here the style tag to define inline style or inline style sheet for the web page or document. Okay, we can write here the h1 or heading tag will have the color, let's suppose aqua. Okay, we have successfully covered in a short time what are the document information tag and what are the document summary tag. Okay, move forward to the document structure tag. These are also important tags. All upcoming tags will be written in the body tag of the HTML page. After discussing the document information tag, document structure tag also much more important. These are tags that provides information to the SERP or search engines about your document. There is the fundamental or basic tag that is called h1 tag or heading tags. H1 tag has a similar weight as the title tag. If we want to rank our web page in the search engine, we will have to create a compatibility of our URL, h1 tag and title tag. The contents of these tags, these three elements will be the similar and correspond to the same target audience. Okay, I have an example of h1 tag. We will write here programming tips. Okay, this we can see here, this tag has much more similarity to the title tag of our web page. The same thing I have discussed. h1 tag, okay, we have to open the live preview for this web page document. Here is the icon that will provide live preview. If you do not see this icon here, I will recommend to install a extension that is called, click on this extension that is called HTML preview. You can clearly see here, this is the HTML preview extension. We can install it in Visual Studio Code for live preview of the HTML. Why this h1 tag is displaying in the aqua color? Because we have defined here the style, it's aqua. For the timing, we are removing this. We can see here the hot change in the document, HTML document, as we change the HTML file and click on Save, Ctrl S button. Here is the H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. We will have to quickly change it H2, H3, H4 to see the impact of these headings in the document. H2, H3, H4, H5 and H6. These are the three headings or H levels in our HTML supported HTML document. These provide much more useful information to the SERP engines. It is strongly recommended to use these headings properly to rank your web page in the search engine or in top of the ranking sites with similar contents. These are the H tags, heading tags with different style and different font size. We can also change the font size of these H tags using inline style or style sheet. Here is the app.css and app.js file that is included in our HTML document but not created still. We have to create these files using the same option. Go to the file menu. I have to revive it again. Go to the file menu, click on plus. Here we will type here app.css. The CSS file is created successfully. Click on add file again and app.js. The JS file also created here successfully. In CSS file we can write here the CSS tools, such as we can say h2 font size is 30 pixel. We are overriding the defined default style of our h2 tag. We save here, go to the index file, save here. We can see the h2 tag is now looking longer, broader or larger than the h1 tag. This is the not by default feature of heading tag. Why this style is used for reformatting the heading tags, I have to clear you in a short time. In sometimes we have to develop a mobile responsive or mobile first website, so that we have to override the default style or size of these contents using style sheet. Okay, let's move to the next topic quickly, that is the paragraph tag. We have to write down paragraphs in WordPress web documents or the blogging sites. There is the common practice to write the paragraph tags for writing the contents or delivering the contents over the web page. There is the div tag. Div tag is used to divide the page into different divisions or sections, and we can style or write text in the paragraph text using the span. We have to use the break tag for the creating a break in the web page, or horizontal for displaying horizontal. I have to quickly demonstrate these all tags quickly in this our web document. We can type here the paragraph tag and write here some paragraph. There is a small paragraph here. This is the first paragraph. We can also copy paste for the shortage of the time. Here paragraph number 2. After saving this document, we can see here there is the regular gap or difference or line spacing between these two paragraphs. Okay, the next one is the span tag. Span tag is used for the small division of the content within the paragraph. By using this span tag, we can style our particular word or particular element within the paragraph tag. We say that color, okay, color red. Okay, here's the red purple. We only need here the red color, this one. Okay, this is the red color. We can use multiple spans within the paragraph. Okay, after this paragraph tag, I have discussed here the horizontal line or break. We can type here HR tag, and this will draw the horizontal line here with in between these two paragraph tag. We can also define the div tag or wrap the content within the div tag. This is the main wrapper. In main wrapper, we can also define more div tags. These are the first div tag. This is the second div tag. We can put here the contents that will display here accordingly. Div tag multiple uses will be discussed later on when we will conduct a session about Bootstrap. Okay, after discussing these document structure tag and other category of these tags are also much more important in the web page. Each and every web page, such as strong, backcode, code, sub and superscript pre-define tag for the definition, and code is used to write down the code in the web page. These all tags are also called informative or semantic tags that provide much more useful information to the SERP or web search engine about your web document. Next we have some kind of list tags that are called unordered list or ordered list and description list. So let's begin to define ordered and unordered list. Sometimes we have to list down some items or values. Here we write here UL tag for the unordered list, and we can write OL for the ordered list, and the container will contain list items such as, we can say, first. We will copy and paste here. These are the list that will be displayed as the ordered format, 1 2 3 4 5 6 etc. Okay, We can change here OL to UL, then this will be the unordered list. We will have to also change the closing tag of unordered list. Okay. After this one, ordered, unordered and data list, we will go to the label, select input and button elements. These elements are the part of the form. We can quickly create a form that is called form element. Here we have action attribute, other attributes that we'll discuss individually in the form session. We can type here input, type text. Okay, similarly for this input we can type here or write some kind of label. Please provide CNIC, or we can say that pin. We can see here this is the label for the text box, this is the input box. In the similar way, we can design multiple inputs, select or buttons inside the form. Okay, move to the next topic, that is called image and canvas or SVG or map components or elements of the HTML. After this, we will discuss some semantic tags and table tags. Okay. Very short time, half hour, I have tried to clear all the basic concepts that are the building blocks of the web page. Here we are going to include the image using the img tag. We will have to provide the source. The image will be displayed in the document. Here we have a image that is called ABC. We will have to move to the directory of our project, paste here. That is the ABC image. We will provide here abc.jpg. The image is successfully displaying in the web page. We can see here the image is displayed. We can also style this image using inline style such as height in pixel. We can say that its height is 100 pixel, then this is reducing its height, and other properties can also be used to manipulate this image tag. Okay, the next tag is the table tag. That is also much more important to display the information in tabular or matrix form. For this purpose we will use table. In table we will have to use thead tag to display the headings of the table, such as th is the heading tag. We say that, let's suppose this is the serial, and we can say that second one is the name. Okay, move to the, after th there is the t-body tag that will content holds the content of the table. You can see here the table is creating in the live preview. Each and every one point is to ensure that every th and td tag will be encapsulated or enclosed in the tr tag. We writing here the first tr tag that will hold the td table data tag. After this the second td, the number of td will be equal to the number of th in the table head thead tag. We write here the name such as abc. We can see here this is the not awesome look creating here for the table in live preview. This is displaying such like a text. To give it the proper preview or display, we set here the border is equal to 1, and we can also style this table with some styles that is called width 100%. We can see here the table is displaying beautifully. At the last but not the least, we will discuss here the some new tags that are called header, section, mark, details, etc. These new HTML5 semantic tags provide much more useful information to the search engines. In today's session, if you get this entire session, you are you will be the capable to design or basic understanding of the web page, document, uses of the IDE such as Visual Studio Code Editor, and further more information can be provided on to the instams.com site. You can go through the HTML and CSS and other documents and learn much more from this site, but you will be able to design the fundamental basic web document. These are the advanced topics that are also called semantic tags of HTML introduced in HTML5. Include header tag and footer tag. Before this, for the header and footer tag, we have used div tags to define these header and footer section. Now we have also a section tag that can be used to define our sections, and search engine will automatically identify these are the new sections created by the designer. Here is the mark tag that will automatically highlight the content of the tag. Okay, I have to demonstrate the mark tag in our live preview. Here is the table tag. We say here mark tag, and we say here I am sorry for that, I am mark tag. Okay, we can see here this is the mark tag highlighting the text. I am the mark tag. These are the web semantic tag. We do not give any user defined style to this text, but mark tag automatically mark it the text in the advanced web browsers. Similarly, other tags are navigation tag, summary tag, main tag, article, a side menu tag, and figure tag, time tag, main tag. Thanks for watching this the entire session. The time was much more short, in around about 30 minutes to understand the complete HTML, but we have tried our best to understand the HTML. For more information, I will recommend you to visit the website that will help you much more for the better understanding of the HTML and many other advanced topics, that is https://instams.com/html. You can note down this website for the better understanding of HTML and many other advanced topics. Thanks for watching.